Hello everyone, welcome to EngiGyan online learning platform. My name is Yash and in this video I'll be giving an introduction to the C++ programming language. That is, what is C++ and why learn C++? Okay, so what is C++? Firstly, C++ is a general purpose object-oriented programming language. For those who don't know what an object-oriented language is, it is a language in which we tend to represent everything as an object. This helps us in writing programs for complex real-world projects in an efficient and simple way. C++ was developed by John Stroudstrup in 1979 as an extension to the popular C programming language. C++ is an intermediate or middle-level language, that is, it combines features of both high-level and low-level languages. C++ can run on almost all common platforms like Windows, Unix, Linux, Mac OS, etc. Why learn C++? C++ is used extensively in the IT industry. Knowing C++ will give you an edge in the following fields. Game development. C++ is used in game development because of its ability to optimize resource management, that is time and memory management, which is required especially in heavy and high-end 3D games. Graphic user interface or GUI based applications. Many highly used applications such as Adobe Photoshop, ImageReady, etc. are written in C++. Now comes the interesting part, operating systems. C++ forms an integral part of many common operating systems like Unix, Windows, Apple's OS X, etc. Engineering applications. C++ is used in CAD and CAM systems. Here CAD stands for Computer Aided Design and CAM stands for Computer Aided Manufacturing. Some other benefits of learning C++. C++ is the most commonly used language in competitive programming or sports programming as it is called. C++ combines the speed of C with an extensive library. C++ is powered up by STL or the Standard Template Library. It consists of efficient implementation of common data structures like stacks, queues, priority queues, linked lists, etc. C++ is much faster than other popular languages like Java, Python, etc. And finally, once you learn C++, you will generally find it easier to learn other programming languages like Python. Thank you for watching this video. Take care and have a nice day.